Yeah, so hello everyone. How are you? So today's diving adventure was returned to the spot where Jon Nellis and I did a dive a few weeks ago, and I think the video should have popped up already for you. Actually, probably been out of a couple of weeks, but anyways, I returned there to recover these anchors. Came across them on the dive, was not prepared to bring them out. They're a little larger than I could have just grabbed and handled by hand, so I returned today to get them. So start with a little thing. So I found a pair of very large sunglasses, been down there a while, hit the trash can with those. And this thing, I have no idea what that is or could be. Has a zipper deal there. Thought I hit the mother lode of gold when I saw that, huh? So anybody have an idea what this is, or could have been, because it looks like it was cut off right here. So gotta hope it's not some kind of bondage thing or something. I hate finding that stuff. So anyways, that's that. Let me get on with the anchors. So this one has about 16 feet of chain. It's largely brand new, except for it has that bend in there. I might take that. I don't know if I can take that apart or not. No, I can't. It's all welded in, but let's see if I can't straighten that up. Put a torch to it maybe, and see if I can't get it straightened up enough to maybe, I don't know if I'd sell it or not, but if we find somebody who needs a good anchor. Actually, it probably still works just fine, even with a bend in it. Doesn't seem to interfere. I might just leave it alone. And then this one, which I found pretty unique. I don't think I'd ever seen one like it before. It has a name on it on the label there, and it says slide anchor. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly. I'm assuming it's for sand slide. I don't know what this. I guess that's a retainer. I guess that holds it all together. Oh, okay, I see now. That slide in there. All right, so there you go. It's a slide anchor. I'm assuming it's for dragging in the sand and holding you fast in a sandy area. I thought it was really unique, and actually this is the reason I actually went back there, because I wanted to get this because it was kind of cool. And I was looking for an adventure, and you know what? I found one. Had a good time. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you have a mind to, and let's see some comments. Oh, wait a minute. I almost forgot. So I was under there, as you saw in the video. Had this bag that actually had a couple leaks in the top. I never really cared for it. It's never really been that easy to use. Man, I got ants all over this thing. I think I'm just going to trash it. I've only used it a few times over the years, whereas this one I have used for probably 10 years with no problems whatsoever. It's always easy to use, it's easy to tote. It's pretty small when it's all rolled up. But yeah, so that was part of the adventure, was finding out that this bag I've had and used, well, I guess I haven't used it for a couple of years now. It actually has some leaks in it. All right, see ya in the water.